Ready to tap into some never-before-seen automation and real artificial intelligence to skyrocket your traffic, leads and profit? New AI web app will write, optimize, post and rank content for all your sites for any niche and/or location worldwide, allowing you to finally get all the buyer traffic from the search engines that you'd like while our app does all the work for you. Done for you content for all your sites for any niche using real artificial intelligence. Totally hands-free optimization of that content for you for any target keyword and/or location worldwide. Automatically adds relevant images and videos to your content too with our built-in media library of millions of royalty-free images. Hands-free posting of your perfectly optimized content on any desired schedule you'd like. Hands-free syndication of your perfectly optimized content to over 25 high-authority social sites to send your pages to the first page of the search engines. Never write, optimize, post or syndicate content manually ever again. Build and scale your niche site empire in record speed by leveraging our new, exclusive technology that's not available anywhere else. Rank niche sites in any niche and/or any location worldwide and let our app do all the heavy lifting for you. Limited time bonus, get agency rights for free today to use our powerful AI app for your clients' campaigns as well. Click the first link in the description below to order the product from the official website. Limited time bonus, get free access to the only AI content spinner on the market that actually understands what your content means, so you get perfectly unique content every time. Never set up a niche site manually ever again. Automate your entire ranking process below. Grab your charter members access to Zairp today. We've simplified the entire process into 5 simple steps. Step 1. Log in and connect your site. This process will literally take you 2 seconds. Simply log into our app, provide the login URL to your site, a username and a password, and that's it. From here our app will be able to do all the work for you. And our system is fully encrypted so your site's login details will never be compromised. Step 2. Input the location and/or keywords you'd like to target. Once your site is plugged in, you just simply create a project, select the site you want to automate, and tell Zairp what locations and/or keywords you want it to optimize for. You can have it optimized just by keyword, or you can set it to optimize by keyword and locations. If you input multiple keywords and multiple locations, yes, it will automatically optimize for every combination possible, which can mean up to 100 seconds of posts at a time, completely hands-free. Step 3. Input your content settings so our AI knows what to write about and how to optimize your site for you. This is probably the easiest step. Here is where you tell our AI the niche that you need content in, input some optional topics you'd like for your content to include, and hit start. From there, our AI will write you a perfectly unique article to use for your campaign in under 90 seconds. You'll also be able to spin this article immediately with the only AI content spinner on the market that actually understands what your content means, so you get a perfectly unique article for every post Zairp does for you. And this is the only time you've ever been able to get access to Spin Rewriter for free for a full 5 days, plus a massive 70% discount. Step 4. Activate automatic syndication of your content to over 25 high-authority social sites. This is also a very simple step which is powered by our SyndLab platform. SyndLab automatically syndicates your content to over 25 high-quality social sites to send your posts ranking to the first page of the search engines. However, to make it better, we've made it so that this process happens automatically for every single post that Zairp posts on your site. Literally, you can have hundreds of articles posted, optimized and syndicated for you without having to touch your campaign again. Step 5. Set up your automated posting schedule and hit start. This is the last and final step. And here all you pretty much do is tell Zairp how you'd like to have your content posted for you. You can edit post your content over a certain number of days until all posts are completed. Or you can use our minimum maximum option where you can set a minimum number and a maximum number of posts per day, and then Zairp will randomly follow that schedule between those two numbers you set. Click the first link in the description below to order the product from the official website, and after that just send me the screenshot of your purchase to my Instagram, the link is below. Then I will send you the bonuses. Free video courses and book courses on how to make money online.